I just want to show anybody that came out to the park with their Mavic Pro. Oh crap, I forgot my phone. Okay, you can fly it without the phone. You don't need the phone. You could just turn it on and it'll bind up to your controller and just manually arm the motors and take off. Then the record button will work, but I don't think this video is going to look good because I don't think I got the autofocus on. So that's probably not going to look that hot. It'll be blurry probably. I don't have my settings on here. No tap to focus on one of the buttons, which I'm going to have to do, but at this time I don't have that, so. And on the Mavic Pro, you know, it has the little screen, so it tells you, you know, your distance and your height and all that crap. So, and then it also has the return to home. Hopefully it would know that, because you know, without the app on, you can't calibrate the. So if you're in a different spot, I wouldn't dare hit the return to home because it would probably fly back to that park I was at the other day, because that's probably what it's remembering, what the home point is. I mean, it's always best to use the app, but if you're in a bind and you get stuck out here somewhere and you forget your phone, or the phone battery dies or whatever, you can just use this, you know. Okay. There you go. You can fly without the app. It's not necessary. Oh, let me shut off the video. That's a good idea. All right, guys. Have a nice